am brand new at having houseplants. I've tried it in the past, but I haven't been the best at taking care of them. I've been a lot more into nature and the healing benefits of the earth and plants and all things natural and outdoors. So I just thought, as fall is coming near, we're going to be spending a lot more time indoors. I thought it might be a good idea to try to bring nature indoors. I've been really doing a lot of research and realizing all the many health benefits. Not only does it look beautiful and really bring your indoor space to life, but there's also a lot of health benefits from having indoor plants. I'm sure all of you know that they are natural air purifiers, which is awesome. In Salt Lake, there's a lot of inversion, and one great way to purify your air indoors is to have as many plants as possible. And the only problem I've had with having indoor plants is that we go back and forth to Salt Lake and St. George. So we live half the year there, half the year here. And I always thought, oh, I would love to have real plants. My mom always had them growing up, but then once I moved out on my own, I tried it a couple times, wasn't able to keep them alive. But now I am dedicated. I'm going to show you one by one the ones that I've picked out and that are the easiest to care for. And they can also be in a lot of different spaces in your home. You don't necessarily have to have direct sunlight for these types of houseplants. I like the smell, I like the feeling that it brings me just seeing them, and just brings me a lot of joy. I mean, right now I have them all placed right here just for a beautiful backdrop, but I'm going to show you where I actually place them in my home and how it really does add a lot of life to all the different spaces that I've placed these houseplants. Let me introduce the newest members of our family. They have names. Actually, they don't, but I should name them because I believe in talking to plants. I think it's important. I actually did talk to this one when we first got it, and I said thank you. And it felt really cool to talk to a plant, because I've done it before jokingly, but I just never really took it seriously that these are alive, they're living, and it's okay. You're not crazy if you talk to your plants, okay? It's very healing and therapeutic. I mean, there's a lot of research around the benefits of houseplants, and it's not just for air purification. There are many other benefits, including overall healing. So I just purchased the 4 most basic houseplants that are easy to care for. I got the assorted pack. This is the pothos. This is the parlor palm. So right now I'm just kind of experimenting, trying them out in all different locations of my house. I definitely want to buy more, but like I said, I move half the year. Every year we go to St. George, so transporting all these houseplants might get a little tricky. So I'm just, you know, I've got 6 now, so I think I can transport 6 without it being too much trouble. But I definitely wish I could get more because I'm loving them. I want them everywhere. I want them all over in my bedroom, all over in the kitchen, and in our great room right here. All these plants come from Costa farms, and these plants are actually scientifically proven by NASA to be some of the very best plants for clean air. So now we're upstairs. This is where I have my mama snake plant that I really love. She's beautiful. So here is the peace lily. Each of these in this whole collection are considered some of the easiest houseplants to grow, requiring water only when the soil is dry, and medium lighting is all they need. I really like the way it looks to hang the plants, but most importantly, it's good if you have cats, because that was been my biggest struggle is the cats. They love to dig in dirt, so that's been frustrating. But if I can figure out how to hang them all, then I can avoid my cats getting into all my beautiful houseplants. But there you go. Got these all from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if you're also wanting to just purchase this 4-pack air purifying collection from Costa Farms. By the way, this is not sponsored. I just happened to find them and I'm very happy with them. So this is my honest review. They are not compensating me, although I wish they were, because that would be awesome. Or they could just send me a bunch more plants. I'd be very happy with that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to stay updated, definitely subscribe to my channel. Be sure to click on the bell. That is the only way that YouTube will notify you each time I upload a new video. I upload a new video every week. I'm just documenting my spiritual journey and my life,